Ford Expedition has always been the epitome of big, luxurious SUVs. Since its launch here in the Philippines back in early 2000s, the Expedition was considered to be the SUV for the wealthy and extravagant. But there's more to the Expedition than outright bling. The exterior design is an evolution from the previous generation with little details that make the Expedition more modern and mature. Most notable changes include large LED headlights with an imposing grille and a reshaped LED taillight design. As years went by, the Expedition grew in dimensions. Yet Ford still managed to shed some weight on this fourth generation by using an all-aluminum chassis. The Expedition's interior wasn't really its strong suit in the past. That is not the case with the fourth generation, as there are upscale materials used like soft-touch plastics and premium leather seats. The overall interior design exudes luxury, class, and functionality. Thanks to a rear-independent suspension setup, there are acres of space for 8 passengers with cargo. Standard tech features include a Ford Sync 3 system with navigation, a foot-activated power liftgate, wireless charging, a panoramic vista roof, and a mind-blowing 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system. The new Expedition ditches its iconic V8 for a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 gasoline engine that makes 375 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 637 Nm of torque at 3,500 RPM. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Ford Philippines says this is their most powerful engine to date, and the transmission offers quicker shifts and better response. Safety-wise, the Expedition gets advanced track stability control, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection, blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, and a total of 6 airbags. Ford has clearly stepped up their game by making the Expedition more premium and advanced than ever. If you're interested, the Expedition is available in showrooms now with a whopping price tag of 4.25 million pesos.